Hi, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and showing you the Toovren car phone mount holder. So as you can see here in the picture, this is how it all goes together. So you have the car cup holder right here, and you can attach the different pieces on the side to make it fit better and more snugly. This moves and adjusts for an angle that you want. And then right here is the QI wireless fast charging unit here. So you can attach it to this holder, or they even have a vent mount clip right there. And it has the USB-C port on the bottom. What's nice about this kit is it's fast wireless charging at 10 watts. Here's the wireless adapter for the charging. They give you a USB-C cable, but there's two ports on this car CLA adapter, so you can charge two items at once. But this does 10 watts, 7.5 watts, and 5 watts of charging. So your iPhone will go up to 7.5 watts, and some of your Android devices will go up to 10 watts. So this is from Toovren, and you can find this on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.